And now it is time to do to show my business flow. So in my business flow, there is price book, product, and bundles, and I want to show how you can use your how you can use a flexible database design for your business. And I'm trying to add a new price book, and my new price book or my international book, and it is in euro currency. Main currency is euro, and my international book, acknowledge and save it. So this page even problem. What happened? Oops, no issue. But let's check the backend. There's something went wrong, but not sure what happened there. But still, I can see that is already added. I'm not sure what happened there. So let's continue. For product. So let me try to add a new product. So all my products are listed. It retrieved a little bit slower. Again, I tell you, it is due to using parallel desktop. It's not normal. And my international product one, and put it, acknowledge it on it. Let's say there is cost like 100 as a default in euro currency. Let's say it is one-time usage element. If you are familiar with these things, or let's make it a subscription, but let's keep it to make it, let's make it charge element, one-time product. Let's make it child product in the hierarchy, because my aim is to create a bundle that contains all my child products, okay? And 100 is acceptable, my international child product, okay, one-time cost, okay. Then, as you remember, I created my international book in euro currency default, and let me type it 100 if I want to sell in different price, and there is no additional information now, and save it. So I need to create another my international product too. And let's make subscription it one time. Its cost is 50. My international book 55. Save it. And so there's pagination side. Let me find the latest created product, and I see my international product 1, my international product 2. But I show how I can create, basically, to implement CRUD operation, create, read, update, and delete operation. And as you see, we can create, we can delete, we can read, we can update the details. Let us see that. And all these details are retrieved from database side, so it's updated. But in my case, to explain the scenario more flexible or in a good way, think that you are going to a store to buy 10 GB internet and hardware that might be a phone. And their cost is totally, let's assume that 700 euro. But what happens if you want to sell this one as a packet in bundled way? And for instance, it might be varied to sell the selling price for different type of customers. For instance, if you are selling to a product, selling to a customer that wants to buy from you more than 100, more than 1,000, more than 500 key. So you need to change the selling price, the cost of packet. And let's go into the bundle page, bundle detail page, to understand how it works. And let's see, as you see here, there is packet, wholesale, and premium, and their price are changeable. And let's see wholesale packet. And on wholesale packet, as you see, it is a parent product because it includes child subproducts. And its type bundle, it has cost as expectedly still one time, because you can it shows you want to buy in one time in a cash or a credit card, doesn't matter, but the company receives the money at once. So let's see, and I assigned already into the price book to sell. Maybe it needs a location cost. That's why you need to make arrays on the selling cost. And after that, you can see the 10 GB volume that refers to internet package and a hardware telephone. So this is my all I do on my application. And for sure, I can add these into this project, such as address fulfillment while typing user details. But I don't have, as I mentioned before, I don't have user details page. And this is what I like to do till now. As you know, we can adhere and come back. So I think this is the Angular 5 attribute that I used. And till now, I show lots of feature and I show business flow. Try to explain. And the last step, let's see whether Swagger works and why do you need to Swagger or kind of application. This sort of application enables you show endpoints to make them open other companies. If, for instance, if you are working for flight company or a bank, most probably you need to get in touch with other brands or other group companies if you are so big, and that is your paying to share the same functionalities for another companies, for group companies. So let me check it out. What kind of functionality we have? It says it use post method and it is endpoint goes API out login. So that helps me understand that I have a login functionality. And for catalog, we can understand from here, we can add bundle, we can add price plan, and we can bring the currencies, and that's all. And in the next videos, I want to show you how I implemented in a technical way, in technical aspects. I want to explain and elaborate all these issues. Hope you like it and stay tuned.